That's right. Got a little hose in the back of the truck. Of course, Bill's through them trees getting set up. We got an interesting one today. It's not our normal. It's not our normal norm. Normal to the normal, whatever. Something different. We're setting up. This is a dam to a big pond lake on this property here, private property, and we're going to be concreting the spillway. So, but from stepping it off and everything, this bend right in here is about as far as I think we can reach, somewhere right in here. I think we're going to be 50 foot short on reaching. So I brought a couple sections of hose and all that. Bill's getting set up here on the top. It's good solid rock up here, so we'll be working on that. He's fixing to start raising his boom. It is cold, crispy this morning. We missed out on all the winter weather. It all was south of us, so thankfully for that. But kind of wish we had a little snow. All right, we got mud here. Bill's getting that situated there. We've got our mix and our 4-to-3 reducer there, along with that hose. So he's gonna prime out up there, then stretch out. We'll mix some mortar up, put it in a hose, roll it out again, and then we'll go from there. So Nothing too technical. What kind of worries me though is they're telling me they only got 1-inch rock, which I'm guessing 1-inch minus. Hopefully they don't have a lot of bigger stuff. Which you can get 1-inch rock through 3-inch hose, but you got to sure have the sand right with the rock, a true 50-50 mix. If you don't, it could be kind of gravelly. And that means Matt will have to get his wheelbarrow out and start wheelbarrowing a little bit.
I lost my CDLs for a one-wheel truck a long time ago.
You better get a little more out. That's pretty rocky there. Any drier? Did y'all add water to it? Those pipes stay pretty clean. You know, in most cases, you know, how many times have they backed up, just put it in your pipe and then get the water in it?
Like right now.
Happened.
Water in it, but he
Dumped on top of you? I guess that's why it looks so wet then.
Matt, you want to run this one?
Well, I'd probably rather run this one than the demo. I do. First one. Stick it straight up in there.
Tell you what, that mud's smooth. You can't, usually you hear it rattling around up here and stuff, and you can't hear anything hardly. Or I can't. Y'all got a guesstimation how much it's gonna take?
I heard something about 80 yards, but that was 80 yards.
It looks a world better from when Chris and I came and looked at it Thursday. All right, we're taking the hose off. So we got 20 yards laid down there. We're on the third truck now. So we're gonna work our way back. Then once we get close to here, we'll take this off, put the 4-inch end hose back on, and give these boys a break. able to see that swell from there. You can see it tells an hour on. Stick up beside the hill there. Beside the hill there. And we're talking about the drone. I tried to get the drone up. I thought I'd get some pretty good footage of these countries out here. It's pretty down to these hills and had this pump going, but I can't get the drone. The batteries just can't figure out what's going on with the batteries on it and things like that. So that has become a flop officially. And I'm not going to put the name brand of the drone down or anything like that. I'm not here to trash their products.
There's a slight possibility of operator error.
Could be, but I don't have any control of the batteries. Come back here farther. I need to get some drier mud.
What is one yet?
Pick up this hose here and get it loaded up and get it back to the trailer. Bill will bring that other one in. I've got some other errands I got to do back in town. So pretty country out here. I wish the drone would have worked out. I don't know what to do with those guys. I'm a little frustrated with it. It is one of those things. I did buy a cheaper one, but I really expected to get more money out of it than what I did. But oh well. This life keeps teaching you lessons. But yeah, they got it here. I got 2 more trucks coming. So anyway, we'll call it good. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.